So 19 overs gone, 160 for the loss of 5 wickets. In walks Sudeep. Is the captain, the wicket-keeper of Karnataka Bulldozers. But at the moment he'll be on the non-striking end. 32 runs for him so far in this tournament, averaging just over 10. His best 17. He's got an impressive strike rate of exactly 100. Well, the last over will be Sunny from the BEML end. But this is going to be a exciting contest. Pradeep just having a word with his skipper.
Last over coming up. He's been slightly expensive, Sunny. And this is what happened in the previous over. Sachin Joshi. He took that so well. Chance of a run out. He misses. Tries the underarm throw. He misses it completely.
Well, he's come with a runner, Sudeep, and that's the reason the runner was running. But taking these chances on that occasion. More importantly, Pradeep is back on strike. This is exactly what Karnataka need at this stage, because he's batted for long. 89 minutes at the crease. Much for a length. Wide the call from the umpire. That was a close call. The bowler, the keeper, not very happy.
Would love to see this again. Oh, that's not a wide. That is harsh. It was within that white line, which is supposed to denote the wide for the umpire. He got it wrong completely. Good delivery from Sunny. In there, it goes over the top of the field at mid-on, it goes to the fence. It's another good shot coming from the blade of Pradeep, the left-hander.
And certainly it makes a big difference when you have a set batsman out there in the crease. That was struck to a nicety, very good strike, clean strike, lovely bat flow, and just luring the fielder at mid-wicket. This is the bat flow, tremendous. Just getting the elevation that was needed. They're all excited, the cheer girls enjoying as well.
They need 4 fielders inside the circle. They have pushed the long on, the field at mid-on, back to long on. 166 now the score. He bowls him round the legs. That was Pradeep was trying to play it on the onside, and he was bowled round the stumps. So good knock comes to an end.
Yeah, absolutely. He was trying to manufacture a stroke on that occasion. His stumps are wide open and striking timber on that occasion. Sunny. That was a good delivery, good thinking from the bowler. They are all excited, they liked it as well. But he's done his job. He's played well for his 57. 166 for 6.
That was such a wonderful effort from Pradeep. 57, score of only 46 deliveries. He swings, he misses. Good run from Sunny. 166 for 6. Even this is a very tall order for the heroes. Chiranjeevi Sarja is the new man in. It'll take some effort from the Heroes camp to get to that score.
Yeah, this has been a good batting performance, no doubting that. Sarja is here because of this. This was the important wicket of Pradeep. Was looking good. Was trying to manufacture a shot on the onside, missing the ball completely. They're all delighted. Once again striking. Misfield at cover. Result in a couple of runs. And that's the end of the innings. The Karnataka Bulldozers doing a very good job with the bat in hand. Remember, at one stage they were struggling a bit, 88 for 4. But this has been a remarkable comeback by them in the end, finishing